We have a big, bland, dark, boring wall in our stairwell. But to us, it's an opportunity to do something cool.
A painter is a kind of choreographer of space. He creates kind of a dance of elements, of forms, and it becomes tactile art.
Welcome to my shop. It's a bit of a disaster, and before we can build the fancy panel or get anything done, I have to clean it. But it's usually a perpetual cycle. I get it clean, and then I quickly get it dirty again. Where do you even start?
If a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind, of what then is an empty desk a sign?
My endless journey of finding perfect organization. And it always starts with making sure that everything has a spot. An exact spot. It lives and belongs and will always be put back in that spot. And then once everything has a spot, the space is functional. It's that easy. And then you know where everything is. Now finally we could actually get to work. Maybe not that quickly. That's the tool that we need. Unfortunately, this side of the shop is not as nice. I had a workbench and it was just this hollow door that we pulled out from the kitchen a while ago when we did the renovation. It served its second life as a workbench, but then it started to cave in and eventually it collapsed. So now all my tools are living on the floor. My machine is able to cut something about nay big, 32 odd inches, but I need to cut a panel much bigger, this big. There's a clever way of doing that. I need space at that end, so we're gonna have to move this workbench, probably 400 pounds stacked of wood, over here somewhere, and then move all these tools over there somewhere. We'll just keep moving stuff somewhere to make this work. And just like that, the shop is a disaster again. Before taking out every single piece of wood and finding a spot for it, I am gonna try to see if I could slide it as is over there somehow. So let's figure that out. Let me try a couple things first. Make that work. I shoved the plumbing pipe in and it just barely lifts the legs off the ground on this side and reduces a lot of friction, so it's easier to pull. Got it moved and got this space cleared as well, and now we can slide a panel on. Need Hannah's help with that. We could finally get the panel out of our hallway.
With that?
Yeah. Heavy lifting.
Where are we going?
To the basement, to the kitchen.
Oh, hello!
Swing it.
A CNC machine, or a computer numerically controlled machine. It's a subtractive way of manufacturing a part that removes material to discover a design inside.
Always nerve-wracking to actually click start, but I think we're ready.
Obsession, obsession, obsession. 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 And obsession.
After a really long night, it was a success.
Lent me from obsession.
It's as big as me.
Simply Safe on. Home.
Are we home? Is our home safe? We want to thank Simply Safe for sponsoring our video.
Simply Safe is an award-winning full home security system that has a sensor for anything that you would need to monitor in your home.
Door sensor, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, inside camera, outside camera,
And many, many more.
While we're monitoring this cutie pie, they're monitoring our home 24/7, and we'll call the authorities if need be, so we can just focus on the little things. It's super easy. You order it online, it shows up on your doorstep, and then you peel and stick, and away you go. Ain't nobody got time to be dealing with complicated technology. Quick, easy, affordable, Simply Safe. Visit simplysafe.com/wabi-sabi and get your home security today.
Obsession.
The hardest part finishing MDF are the edges, and we have a lot of them. After over 12 hours of sanding and finishing later, we're done.
As long
And now on to installing it. I got some 2x4s that are spanning the length and just sitting on this ledge. So this ledge will support all my weight and my life. We got a whole bunch of LED lights that we're gonna line the inside of the trim with, and we're gonna backlight the panel. But in order to do that, I need to drill a hole through that wall, because behind there, we were smart enough to add an extra plug. Time to deploy the drawbridge. I'm about to drill a hole in the wall.
3.
I hope I have the right spot or I don't hit a stud.
Yeah, I think so too.
Let's just poke around and see. Wow. Was it that easy?
Those words scare me.
There it is.
When a flower doesn't bloom, you fix the environment in which it grows, not the flower.
I'm ready for the light show. Ooh, go back. I like that. That rosy, hot pink. The next project is Elliot's studio.
Just filled with junk.
See, we've taken over the house, so Daddy needs his office out of here, huh?
A little quiet time.
Some focus time. So we can scream and play and be rambunctious. Yeah, just like that. Ready? Up, down, up, down, up, down, down.
You like spinny things. Like, and subscribe. Like it, subscribe it.
And share.